Hi YouTube, my name is Becca Claire from Breast Toy Reviews, and I show you the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Pop-Up Pizza Playset Anchovy Alley and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle figures. We got Raphael, Michelangelo, Leonardo, Donatello, Fish Face, and Shredder. Yay!
That looks awesome. Show us how to open up the set.
It looks like a pizza box or something.
Hold on, let me see. That does look like a pizza box. Very cool.
Let's open it.
Okay.
And we got the stickers and we put that for Easter.
All right, you got to turn it to face towards the viewers so we can see. There you go, rotate it. Excellent.
Let's do the table for one. Mommy.
Oh, that's cool. Does he snap on there?
Mommy, can we help me put this on that?
Lauren, can you help Brett, please?
Yeah.
Can you help me put the telephone pole?
Where do you want me to put them, Ready?
And can we help?
With what?
A table for one, telephone pole.
Ready? Oh. Can't get it out.
Who is that, Brett?
Shredder.
Awesome.
Your Brett, show people sport what they do.
All right, so what are the features of the playset, Brett? You said that's a table for one telephone pole?
Yes.
So it swings out?
And
Do that again. Do that again. I like that one.
Table for one, bro. This one.
Woo!
Yeah, knock out that door.
Awesome.
Let's take out the flipping.
All right.
Let's put Shredder on it. You flipped!
Wow. It flipped him. Oh, it flipped him off the manhole cover.
Yeah.
Like at the top of their hideout. That must be Anchovy Alley.
Yeah. Let's do that over here.
Oh, is Fish Face sneaking into their hideout?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
I said no anchovies.
Oh, and knocked Fish Face right down. That's cool. Let me see from this side. Oh, that's cool. So that's the entrance to the lair?
Yeah. Said no anchovy. Mommy, I think that's really cool.
That is really cool. Are there any other features of the playset? So you have the one bar that lets him swing and kick him through the entrance to the lair. And you have the flipping manhole cover. And then you have the table for one.
And telephone pole?
Telephone pole. I like that. Here, can you do the telephone pole one again? And I'll film it from this side. I got it. Put the guy on there, though.
What guy?
Put one of the turtles on. Let me know if you need help snapping them on. Woo! All right, I like that. Well, that is very cool, Brett. Do you like this toy a lot?
Yes.
Awesome. What is the feature that you like the most about it?
I like the table for one.
I do too. That's pretty cool. All right. We love Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, right?
Yes.
Hold on, let me get a close-up of the guys.
Yeah,
All right, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles are awesome. All right, so in conclusion, gonna do your finish for this particular one? Okay, so do your spiel.
And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next episode on Breast Toy Reviews on YouTube. So, see you next time.